Working remotely? Here's the basics on keeping your company data safe. Here are 4 of the most important things your company must do to minimize the risk of receiving a cyber attack. These are easy implementations and will help defend your business from catastrophic cyber security threats. One of the most important things your company should do is implement multi-factor authentication, or MFA. MFA is a way to secure every application at risk. MFA requires the user to submit a username, password, plus an additional security step in order to gain access. If your company has a proprietary database, email, or other sensitive information remote employees can access, MFA will help defend it from easy hacking opportunities. If your company does not have MFA in place, RAM Communications cybersecurity experts will be happy to help analyze your controls and recommend a solution that best serves your needs. Even if you do have MFA in place, you might consider contacting us just to ensure that your system is up to date and compliant with today's standards. If your company has employees who have remote access to sensitive company data and you suspect that your system is not as secure as it should be, contact RAM Communications today. We will help you discover where potential vulnerabilities are and how to best resolve them. At RAM, we provide cybersecurity solutions that protect our clients. We look forward to doing the same for you.